Hello everyone, my name is Ty and today we are going to be making a CapCut edit. And first you press new project and then you're going to go to stock videos. Then you're going to press background. I'm going to speed this up for you because it took a while, but you don't have to press as many photos as I did. And this is only for personal use. In the next video I will show you how to do a actual template. So now you're gonna go to music, you're gonna press extracted. Depending on which music you choose, you're going to go on to the beat. And when you go on to the beat, depending how fast it is or how slow the beat is, you are going to shorten it. And how you shorten it is you press the end and you just pull it forward. That's it. So this is gonna take a while because I used this many photos for you today, but depending if you guys want to use as many photos as I did, you can, but you don't have to. So this is almost done. Now you're going to want to shorten as you guys see, it goes along with the pictures. Now you're going to go to fade out, depending on if you want to do it or not, but in my opinion it makes it sound better. I'm going to play it slowly for you guys so you actually hear how it fades out. It just sounds better in my opinion. So now we're going to go to video and body effects. Then you're going to press. Before that, you press the little line in between the photos. When you press the line in between the photos, it's going to bring you to this page. And depending on what you want to do, you can do movement as I did. I think it makes your video pop. Okay, now you're gonna go to video effect. As you see here, there are many, and I'm going to choose Smart Sharpen. I'm going to speed this part up for you guys a little bit. You guys can choose the same ones I have chosen, but depending on what you guys like and what you guys would like to choose, you do not have to. And for this part, if you would like to move the video effects, you press and hold it and you just bring it down. That is how you are able to move the video effects or body effects. So I'm just going to stretch this out. And how you do that is you drag the end of the white line, and you drag it. It is able to move all the way down to the end. Now let us choose a different body effect. Or video effect. As I said, you press and hold and you drag it all the way down. It might take a little bit, but it will work, trust me. So now you want to bring that there, drag it all the way to the end. Let's see how good it looks so far. Now you press adjust, and you can adjust the speed, the intensity, the size, and how it twists. But if you do not want to trouble how it is, you can just leave it. Okay, it looks pretty good so far. We're getting somewhere. Let's go to body effect. And see what we can choose here. As I said, there are many ones that you are able to choose. Let's go to video effect instead. In my opinion, video effect is better than body effect because not all the time you have your whole body is showing. You might have just taken a selfie, or you just want to edit some aesthetic videos. As you see here, I have chosen lightning crack. This is a really good effect. There's vlog, there's retro. There are many different ones you can choose from. Okay, we're just gonna stretch this out here. How this looks. It looks pretty good so far. We're getting somewhere. As you see here, sometimes it takes, you're not gonna get it. It's not gonna be perfect the first time you do it. Sometimes you have to adjust the pictures to go along with the beat. As here, I'm just going to adjust the lightning just a little bit. I don't think I want it to be all the way down to the end. I'm just going to drag it back. I would rather have leak to all the way down to the end. Okay, now you press add text and you press where it says enter text all the way down at the end, all the way down at the bottom. Then you're gonna put any words you would like, but for this example, I'm putting photo 1 for you guys. And you are able to edit the font. There are many different kinds of fonts here, but depending on what you guys choose, you guys are allowed to go along with this example that I'm doing here. I think I'm just gonna press feature. It's gonna blow this up a little bit, line it up, and there are animations. So you see how this looks? It brings it in. In my opinion, it looks good. You guys can choose a different one. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna speed this up a little bit because this took a while to do, but you guys are able to. You guys, as I said in the beginning, you guys do not have to use as many pictures as I did. Okay, now let us see the end result. It looks really good, and you are able to change out the pictures. So you're going to click the picture, and then all the way at the end it's going to say replace. And you can choose a photo. You do not have to adjust anything, but if you would like to, you can. But if you still want it to go along with the beat, you do not have to adjust anything. And you are able to blow the pictures up a little bit, depending on how you like it. Okay, now let us see the end results of this one. And also, you are also allowed, well, I wouldn't say allowed, but you guys are also able to delete the text if you would like. After this is done, I will show you how to delete the text. So you tap on the text, then you are going to press delete. That is how you are able to delete it. Okay, let's see the finished product. It looks absolutely amazing. Thank you for watching. Tai out.